Hi guys, in today's video I'm sharing with you all my version for Barfi fudge. So if you guys would love to see how to make this deliciously amazing dessert, keep watching. So guys, to make this recipe I'm using white chocolate morsels. You can use any type of melted white chocolate you can find, and what I'm going to do is put this into the microwave on 30-second intervals, mixing between each interval until it's properly melted. So here I have my melted chocolate, really nice, and it's not overcooked. Make sure you don't want to overcook the chocolate. You don't want it to start to get hard on you. Now to this I'm going to go in with my condensed milk. To this I'm going to go in with some cardamom powder, all of the flavors you would usually find in a barfi, some milk powder, and I have ginger juice because I don't want to put raw pieces of ginger in there, and I'm going in with some ghee or some clarified butter and give it a mix. Make sure that it's mixed in properly. Mix it and make sure that it's well combined. Okay guys, once properly mixed in, go ahead and empty it into a greased tray. And spread it out evenly. You want a nice smooth top because when you put the sprinkles on, you want it to look really nice and smooth. Right, all you have to do now is go ahead and top it with your sprinkles. Once it's nice and warm, it will adhere to it.
Mommy, why doing sprinkles?
And we're going to leave this on our counter overnight or until it sets.
I want some please.
So guys, the fudge is set. I was thinking after I should have probably lined the tray. So if you guys are doing this recipe, please line the tray. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm using the back of my knife to go in and cut down. And I'm using the back of the knife because I don't want to destroy my tray. And you see how easily that cuts. So we're just gonna cut these into small squares, just like you would do barfi. Then we're going to go the other direction. And all you have to do is take a spatula, and once you get the first corner piece out, it's going to be really easy to get the rest of them out. And it comes out really easily because we greased the tray. Look at that. Perfect. It's set up really nicely, and you can see it's not too hard and it's not too soft. It's going to be a nice semi firm texture. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for Barfi fudge. I want to go ahead and bite into one of this so you guys can see the consistency and the texture. Let me get the camera to focus. Right, there we have it. So look at this. I'm gonna bite in. Wow, that tasted really good guys, and I can't wait for you all to try this recipe. I know right now it's quarantine time and it's going to be a little difficult to probably find the chocolate, so what I'll do is I would suggest you guys wait. I've given you this recipe, and I want you all to wait whenever you can get the white chocolate or melted white chocolate, or if you can get a bar of chocolate that you can melt, use those ingredients. But do not go out of your way to find white chocolate to do this recipe until it's available. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know down below if you like it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good one and stay safe.